It's nail mail time. Hello, people, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. I am so excited. Here we have some Rossi stuff. You guys, this took forever to get here. I don't know what happened. It got sent like, it went to like America and then to Hawaii and then back to America and then to Germany. Like, it was a lot. It was a lot of movement. So I've got some stuff in here and I'm going to pull it out. And I've got three like boxes within boxes, so I'm not really sure what. Maybe it's four. There's two. There's three. And there's another box. So I got four boxes within a box. So let's open each box, shall we? I thought it would be fun if we just did like an unboxing of what all I got, because honestly, it's been so long, I just don't even remember what's in here. I really don't. Like, not a clue. So let's see what's in the first box. Oh, they put, this seems like a little bit of a waste. Honestly, I'm trying to save the planet these days, you guys. Is this the, oh yeah, I want to try this so bad. This is the Bye Bye gel, and you're supposed to be able to, this is like that magic remover stuff. You're supposed to be able to put this on top of gel polish after you file off the top coat, and it's supposed to kind of like eat it up away and crinkle it up and make it easily removable. So very excited to try this. I'm a little hesitant to try it with a dip, but they assure me that it's going to work with dip. So if you want to see, it kind of gives you the directions. You can pause. This is what it looks like. Very excited. Be ready, because I'm going to be probably doing a video about that. Okay, let's get to box number 2. So I know there's some dip powder in here somewhere. Super excited about it. I don't even know what colors they are anymore, you guys. It was, well, I say so long ago. I guess it was like a month probably. But, you know, I do have an APO address, so it does take things forever to get here. Ah, yes. Okay, I use the gel method for dip powder. So I wanted to try, since I'm getting Rossi dip powder, I want to try the Rossi gel base and top coat. You guys, I love Lee. I'm a big Lee fan. Let me show you that real quick. Here's just a base coat of the Lee stuff. This stuff is super affordable. It's super great. It's really wonderful. I'm a big fan of it. However, I wanted to just kind of see what would happen with Rossi stuff. I did notice that their bottles seem to be quite big. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Oh, Lordy, y'all. I do have a master's degree. I know it doesn't look like it or seem like it at all, but I really do have a master's degree. Okay, here we go. So that's a huge bottle, 15 milliliters. That's a really big bottle. So I'm very, very excited to try their base coat and their top coat. These are gel polishes, so they need to be cured. Oh, super, wow, they're really nice. They feel great in the hand. Very high quality, seemingly. Super excited about this. Super, super excited about this. Okay, let's see what's next. By the way, Rossi does kind of specialize in dip powder, gel polish, and polygel. I have not tried really any of their products other than the dip powder. So, sorry you guys, I'm trying to open this box and it really doesn't want to come out of this plastic stuff. I've only tried their dip powder. I haven't tried anything else. So I'm excited to try their other stuff. Okay, let's see what's in this. Okay. Okay, I said okay because, what is this? Thank you. What? $10 off my next order. Say what? That's pretty amazing. There's a coupon code. Let's see if we can all use it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I say okay because I get the dip flu, you guys, and my dip flu is from their dipping liquids. So this base coat, the activator and the top coat, while I may love their system, and honestly I really do, it's quick, it's easy. I just did a review video about it. It really is really good. but I get sick, literally physically sick after I use their dip liquids. Yes, I can do some things to try to alleviate it or make it better or whatever, but I can't use this. So I'm going to probably have to try to put this up for sale. I don't want to, but I think I'm going to have to because, yeah, I get the dip flu. I get the dip flu. So that's why these are going to come in super duper handy. That means, you guys, we saved the best for last. There are 6, I'm pretty sure. There are 6 dip colors in this last box. There better be. And honestly, I have 0 idea what colors they are. Typically, I try to keep it kind of like black, white, silver, glitter. I love me some glitter, y'all. I will do some glitter. Okay, so here's the box outside of the plastic. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. By the way, the only dip powders that I currently own are kind of like not super great name brands. It's like ASP Quick Dip Powder, which has been okay for me, but you can get that one at Sally's. And then I've also used Born Pretty from Amazon, and that one just seems okay. These, you guys, they specialize in dip powder, so let's check it out. So excited. Oh, there's a box inside of a box inside of a box, you guys. BT Dubs, I got another thank you card. Yay, that's another $10 off. Let's open this bad boy up. So they call their powders Glam Powders. So this is the Glam Box Dip Powder Kit, you guys. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so beyond excited. Okay, I've been waiting forever. I believe, whoa, that's really close for you guys. So we get 6 Glam Powders, and they're 18 grams or 0.6 ounces each, which is larger than I'm used to. Easy. Okay, so this is just about dip powder and dip stuff in general, and then the directions. There's a booklet included inside, and they have tons of videos. They have a video for everything. Oh, maybe they're not as big as I was thinking. I don't know, but I'm just so excited. Okay, and then didn't it say something about a booklet on the inside? Is included in the box. I don't see a booklet. Do you see a booklet? Maybe I'm going a little cuckoo. Anyway. I don't know what colors these are. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like a shiny, pretty, silvery looking thing. We'll do some swatches of these as well so you can see what they look like. Oh, that's a pink glitter and a red. You gotta have a red, So here's my 6 powders. And as you guys know, you can't tell what color is what if you don't actually get it out of the box and do a swatch of it. So this one is rusty. Oh, that looks like a mauvey pink. Very pretty, super excited about that. Hope it's the color I think it is, but we'll find out after we do a swatch of it. This one is Moon. Maybe like a milky white. Perhaps a little gray in there, who knows? I guess I should let you guys see one of the boxes. This one is called Silent Night, and it's got a shimmer and a glitter in it. Tiny, small flakes of glitter, it looks like anyway. We'll explore later. Okay, let's look at the box. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, all right, so it's got the ingredients. Seems like a lot of chemicals, but okay. And a natural, lightweight, durable manicure that lasts longer than gel polish. I mean, I guess it does. It really does, honestly. You don't need a lip lamp if you use the if you use the dip powder liquids. Are these the directions? Oh. Yeah, you're gonna need better directions than that. I've actually done a video with lots of tips and tricks. If you're interested in looking that, feel free to check that video out. It's about how to do the gel method, which I highly recommend. Let me put these this way. I highly recommend the gel method if you are sensitive, or if you have allergies like I have allergies. Like that pink glitter. Oh, is it a pink glitter or red glitter? Pink Princess. I'm going to go with pink. And this one was called Wine. That's interesting. That does not remind me of wine. It does not look like wine. Honestly, guys, I don't remember what I bought. I don't even remember. Oh, this has me written all over it. Hot mess, girl. Okay, I'm not going to show the process of the of my swatches, but I am going to show you what they look like, and I'll show you a little clip of me opening each of these, and then I'll show you all the swatches. This one is the Rusty color, which I'm going to LOVE that. I can tell you that right now. And I'm going to leave this on because it really does kind of help keep some of your powder in there. On to the next one. This one was the Moon color, and it looks, well, kind of like a light gray, kind of like the moon. On to the next one. This one was the Silent Night. Oh, and it's got the glitters in it. I love glitters with dip powder because you get that 3D depth look, and it looks so good. All right, on to the next one. This was the color Wine. And I forgot, you guys, they all have little names to them, the little 6 sets. So I will try to remember to put the name of it right up here somewhere for you. This one is Pink Princess. Ooh, yes. I'm in love. I'm going to love this one. I know it. So it's got a little bit larger glitters. They do a much chunkier glitter than this, but that's a little bit larger than I'm used to. On to the next one. And the last color was called Hot Mess. I mean, it looks brown. So I don't really know why I got brown or beigey, tan, whatever, but let's swatch it and we'll see. So with the magic of camera work, I'm going to show you what all of the swatches for these bad boys look like now. And here we have all of our swatched colors. You guys, most of these colors, I can't wait to try. I'm like these two together. Ka-chow, I love you. So this one is the Rusty color, and it's just this beautiful burgundy, really dark reddish purple, beautiful. This one was the Moon color, really pretty, like light gray. This one is going to be fun. Just so you guys know, I do 2 coats of dip powder on my swatches, and then I only do 1 top coat. So you might notice that they look a little rough. I always put 2 top coats on when I'm actually doing dip powder. So this was the Silent Night color. It's got black and sparkle glitter, silver glitter, beautiful, love you. This one is the Wine color, just a bright fire engine red. Not what I would have said about wine, but I mean, works for me. Oh, this one's sweet. This one is the Pink Princess, and it's totally me. Like, I'm gonna like this one a lot. I just know it. So it's got the larger, these are actually like hollow or silver hollow, whatever. Larger glitters and smaller glitters. And then it's got the pink and red actually mixed in between. So this is only 2. And of course, if you're wanting full coverage, then you're gonna have to do more layers of that. And same way with the Silent Night. So that was Pink Princess. And then the final one, this one is Hot Mess. Yeah, y'all, it looks like a hot mess. So I don't, you know how they always throw that one color in there that they're trying to get rid of into a set? Like that, I feel like that's what this one is. It's not my favorite. I'm probably not gonna be using it very much, but you know, I have friends who might say, yeah, let me give that a try. Or there are certain reasons that I might want to have that. So I am very happy with these 6. They look great. I am happy with them. In fact, the whole haul is pretty awesome. I've got these 6. I've got the, where did I put the dip powder starter kit that I won't be able to use, but I'm going to have to pass on to somebody else. I've got the gel base and top coat that I cannot wait to try. I actually did not use it on this. I probably should have, but I didn't want to use my brand new one on that. So anyway, and you know what? I did forget to open the Bye Bye gel, so I thought I would very quickly open that one for you guys. So I did show you the directions though. And let me open that up so you guys can see exactly what that looks like as well. And I will be doing a little bit longer video on the Bye Bye Gel for sure. And probably some of this other fun stuff too. So this was, again, 15 milliliters, a nice large size bottle. So yay, awesome haul from Rossi. So thank you. I just wanted to let you guys know I got an amazing deal. They had a 40% off sale. Rossi's always having great sales. And if you wanted to, you could use my code GrooveMama to get yourself 20% off of the order. You guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like nail stuff. And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!